of Things. This FDP is organized by Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Institute of Engineering and Technology, Lucknow. This FDP is sponsored by AICTE Atal. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Pavan Kumar Tiwari, sir, for the introductory note of this FDP.
So thank you, ma'am. And once again, I would like to welcome all these participants who have joined from all over the India, and our head of the department and director sir, and the senior faculty members of our department, Professor Maheshwari Tripathi, Professor Girish Chandra, and all other who have joined here. So now this FDP was actually granted from AICT through Atal scheme, AICT Teaching and Learning Scheme, and it was a 5 days faculty development program. And in this faculty development program, we have arranged good speakers from the reputed institution, such as IITs, Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi, and University of Hyderabad, Indraprasth University, and also from we have included industry persons here. And they have given the real demonstration on this. In this FDP, it was started actually with the inaugural session and the keynote speak of Professor D.P. Vidyarthi, and he has given this lecture on resource provisioning in fog integrated cloud, a machine learning approach. And then further, because it is being used widely in IoT, and IoT is used in cloud, fog, everywhere. It is an integrated part, and then continue to that. Dr. Nitesh has delivered lecture on emerging trend in computing, IoTs, and then Gaurav Sharma has demonstrated real projects on it, and demonstrated the IoT protocols and hardwares, all these things. And state-of-art architecture has been state-of-art IoT architecture's communication technology has been delivered by Professor Rahul Thakur of IIT Roorkee, and then in continuation of that, those faculty members who are actually doing deep research, then it has been well elaborated by Professor S.K. Udgata of University of Hyderabad, that what is the current state of art of IoT research. And then further, it was well elaborated by Professor Rahul Johri. He has taken 3 sessions on this, and he has well demonstrated the more than I think 3 or 4 simulators which are being used in IoT and in fog computing, in cloud computing. All these sessions are very well elaborated by him, and a real life project was elaborated by the Gaurav Sharma from industry. He has taken 4 sessions. So I think we have very fruitful lectures, and hopefully participants are satisfied. So with these words, now I would like to over to Parul ma'am. Over to Parul.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable introduction about the FDP. And this FDP was started on 29th of October, and today is the concluding ceremony of this FDP. And I hope the participants get benefit through the FDP. And we have a good number of participants who have joined the valedictory ceremony also. Now, I would like to take the feedback from the participants first. So I would like to call a few.
Ma'am, to Dhanalakshmi and Mallikarjun Gowda has given his name for this. So please call them first, and then you can choose some random.
Fine. So I request the volunteers for giving the feedbacks. So please unmute yourself and give the feedback about the FDP.
Hello. Good evening to all. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible, ma'am.
Yeah. I am Dr. S. Dhanalakshmi from SRM University, Chennai campus, Tamil Nadu. This Atal-sponsored FDP program on Internet of Things, IoT 20, organized by IET Lucknow, is an excellent and a successful event. I could say that. I should thank the management, Director Sir, HOD CSE, and particularly Dr. Pavan Kumar Tiwari Sir, Professor CSE Department, for his very well planning, starting and executing it very well. Starting from minute to minute program schedule that he has given us is exactly, sir followed the schedule. Not even a 5 minutes gap was there in the sessions. It was exactly perfectly followed. And till Sar made us all the participants to involve actively by posting the attendance link randomly. Sir is not going to give the attendance link at time. So since he made randomly, all the participants were really more enthusiastic and listening all the sessions. I think this is a good strategy which we should learn from you, sir. Thank you. And to be very frank, before 5 days from now, I knew only the fancy word IoT. But now, sure, I'm able to take up some projects related to IoT, teach my own students very well. And I gained this confidence level only from this workshop, no doubt in it. Thanks a lot. All the speakers were extremely good and highly professional, both from academic institutions and industry. And particularly the human value session was also very wonderful. Finally, to conclude, I thoroughly enjoyed and gained from a lot from this FTP. Thanks to Dr. Pavan Kumar sir again. Thank you all for giving me the opportunity. Thank you once again.
Parul ma'am, our honorable BC sir has joined. So I have given the already schedule. Thank you, sir, for giving your precious time from your busy schedule. So please, we have given the schedules. We were not expecting that sir will join, but he has given his time. So please, ma'am, do accordingly. Parul ma'am.
Yes, sir. Welcome, sir, to the concluding ceremony of Faculty Development Program. I convey my heartiest gratitude to you that out of your busy schedule, you joined the session. Sir, so as per the schedule, I have to call the next, get the next feedback from the our participants. So I would like to call.
Mallikarjun Gowda has given his name for giving this feedback. Please, Mallikarjun ji.
Yeah, good evening, here. Yeah, is it audible, sir?
Yes, it is audible.
Yeah, I would like to thank Atal and the director, HOD, and coordinator of ET for conducting this workshop on IoT. Especially, we have got very good time. That 3 days holidays we were there, 30, 31st, and 1st. So we could concentrate all the sections without missing any of the sections. So we could learn and enjoy. Sir. So that is a great time, I think, because otherwise we also had this online classes. So with that we could not be able to attend properly. So it's 3-day session. And in between, we could manage the classes and we could attend all the sessions properly, and we got very good knowledge. And especially all the speakers, eminent speakers, especially Rahul Johari sir and Udgada sir, they have expressed their, they have demonstrated their working real-time projects. Especially, I was interested in Wi-Fi sensing. Means without the need of sensors, how we can sense the behavior of the different human beings. So that created a lot of interest. And even Rahul sir also demonstrated so many simulators on IoT, and even all other speakers they are expressed their understanding about IoT and its applications and research areas also very well. And Gaurav Kumar Sharma ji also demonstrated the practicality of doing the projects with real-time this one. I would like to thank all, sir. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to express my feedback, and as well as for giving me the opportunity to attend these workshops. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Mallikarjun ji, Dhanlakshmi ma'am, for your valuable feedback and your.
Now there are Jaitun B, AK, and Dr. P. Ali also want to give ma'am. So if you have time, then please allow.
Yes, please. Please, we request for your feedback. We are waiting for the feedback. See, we have to respect time of Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir. So we have to adhere the time to get his blessings also.
So Dr. P. Ali, if you want to give, then it's okay. Otherwise, we will move forward.
Good evening.
Okay.
This is Dr. Ali.
Yes, madam. Yes.
Excuse me. Good evening. Yeah, I'm Dr. P. Ali, Professor and Head, Department of CSE from Velamal College of Engineering and Technology, Madurai, Tamil Nadu. It was a very nice FDP. I thank the organizers and Dr. Pavan Kumar Tiwari sir for arranging a wonderful FDP for us. I'm finding it difficult getting the right words to express my gratitude for the organizing team, especially Pavan Kumar sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, ma'am, you can move. I think there are 3 more, but you can move if you have time. Otherwise, you can move.
Yes, sir. We have to move. Thank you so much, participants. Your feedback really motivates us to organize such FDPs.
Please write your feedback on chat box, because it is being recorded and it will be put on the ICT portal also. So please put your feedback in chat box system, and we will proceed further. Ma'am, please proceed further as per
Yeah. Okay, thank you, sir. Now, with this, I want to proceed. Now, I would like to call our HOD, sir, HOD Computer Science Engineering Department, Professor D.S. Yadav, sir, for his valuable address. Professor D.S. Yadav, sir. Sir, please unmute yourself.
Thank you, Dr. Parulji. At the outset, I would like to acknowledge the blessings of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Pathak ji, who is present here in this session, Dr. Paliwal ji, Director of this institute, and indeed the extraordinary efforts done by Dr. Tiwari and Dr. Nathan Singh ji to organize and coordinate this faculty development program. I won't take much time. I'm really very happy to listen the comments and the feedback from Dr. S. Dhanlakshmi ji, Dr. Mallikarjun Gowda ji, and these feedback and the comments really encourage us to do, motivate us to do something good in this area. And I'm sure we have been successful, at least in giving you the technical know-how, what is all happening in the area IoT. I'll take one more clue. In the recent, the recent what says more than 5 billion, this equipment, and they are going to be interconnected, and that's why the area IoT is. It is really important to see from the other perspective as well, what these devices, various devices and the equipment or the machines, they will be interconnected, what kind of application are going to take the help from this all, the information repositories, the communication, and how they are interacting. We'll have to think about, for the benefit of the society, how the computer science will actually help grow the other domains. For example, when I was discussing, not many areas that are coming up, it is actually the health, the telemedicine is one of the areas. You can find out the application, the sports informatics, not many, the concept that has come up, not many courses are coming up. Sports informatics, the computational media, in the gaming, in the simulation. We have to take the advantage of this, what we have learned in this course, and possibly what we'll learn in future in this area, and how these areas, related areas, will be benefited. So we'll have to think about how we can utilize the knowledge which has been generated in the computer science, and how can we develop the other areas for the mankind and for the improvement of the society. So with these words, I won't take much time, because I know our Honorable Director and the Honorable Vice Chancellor is, so we are eagerly looking forward to hear to him. Thank you, participants, and many thanks, Dr. Tiwari and Dr. Nathan Singh ji, for very important this program. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for showing the domain-specific direction to the participants and to encouraging the organizing team. Thank you so much for your valuable words. Now I request our director, sir, Professor H.K. Paliwal, sir, for his valuable address. Professor H.K. Paliwal, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Parul. Good evening, everyone. Indeed, it is a great pleasure for us, all of us, to have our Honorable Vice Chancellor with us, who has always been a motivating factor throughout his tenure as Vice Chancellor till date. And first of all, I would like to congratulate the team of the Department of Computer Science who has organized this FDP. At least from the feedbacks of the participants, I can judge that it was managed in an excellent manner, and I understand that Professor D.S. Yadav, who is a good leader, excellent leader in my opinion, was behind this. Apart from the young faculty members like Dr. Pawan Tiwari, Dr. Parul Yadav, Professor Nathan. So, as expected, the FDP was found to be very useful for all the participants. The organizing team chose a very wonderful list of experts for of this area for deliberations, for guidance of participants. So I hope that the knowledge gained by the experts during these 5 days will be spread by the participants throughout the nation. And with all these words, I congratulate all the participants and wish the good luck for future. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your blessing, sir. And once again, thank you, sir. Now it's time to welcome our chief guest, Professor Vinay Kumar Pathak, sir. He is Honorable Vice Chancellor of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. He is very energetic and visionary leader, and it's proud that he is among us and to bless us. Now I invite Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, to shower his blessing on this concluding ceremony. He is in car and he is very energetic and utilize every moment. So it's our honor, and we feel proud. We feel privileged that, sir, we are able to listen your valuable words in spite of your busy schedule, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sorry, I am traveling and I just left the meeting. But Pawan told me that it has to go by 6:32, so I could catch up this wonderful program. First of all, I wanted to say thanks to the directors, Dr. Yadav, two P's, Pawanji and Parulji, and Nathan workshop on the IoT. I think it's a very in the sense that it's a topic to be researched on, and most of the researches are happening at this juncture. I think the FDP program was very, very contemporary, and IET has taken the lead in organizing such a wonderful program. Most of the participants, I have listened their feedback, and they were also, I think, encouraged by the kind of the demonstration which has happened. And I think they are wonderful faculty and wonderful head of the department of IIT Lucknow, under whom all of us can join together for new researches on IoT and new kind of simulations which can happen. I once again want to congratulate the young enthusiastic assistant professors Pawanji and Parul and Nathan Singh ji also for taking such a hard effort to organize this kind of workshop. I know the FDP programs are difficult to organize, and virtually it's more difficult to organize. But I think there was a wonderful organization which has happened. And my feeling is that what Diwakar has already told in his remarks, that a lot of devices, connections, and lot of other things have to be researched on, and still the world of IoT has to come. And we are people who are witnessing this IoT in our lifetime. I think that's also a wonderful thing. Let's hope that the institute like IET, the young people like faculty members who have started these courses, the participants who have participated in this nice course, and the other faculty members will do a high-ended researches, and I think the country will come out with a lot many products and protocols with these kind of researches. Thanks to all of you, and thanks to for inviting me in this wonderful felicitation program, which was I told Pawan that I will join the last, because the last you get a feeling that how the program was conducted, and wish all of you a great luck, and wish all of you good luck to do new researches and get this country new protocols and new products in the field of IoT. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time and your blessings to us, and for joining the concluding ceremony as well. Hope to get your blessings in future also. Hope you encourage us like this also to organize such programs in future. This has been successfully conducted because of your blessing, because of support of our respected director, sir, because of leadership of our respected HOD, sir. Dr. Nathan Singh sir had did very hard work. They have been doing very hard work for last 5 days continuously. They are doing work for it. So thank you, sir. Now I would like to call Professor Nathan Singh sir
One minute,
for proposing vote of thanks.
Just 1 minute, Dr. Nathan Singh.
Okay.
Just 1 minute. Many thanks to Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir. I am feeling very happy that you have find some time from your busy schedule. From sir was in government office, but he has taken some time after I have texted him 3-4 times. Then he has taken time. So I feel very happy for this that you have joined, sir. And to all the participants, Honorable Director, sir, thank you, sir. Thank you, Head, sir. And one announcement from my side, we have the results also. And Aditi Raj has scored highest marks, 42 marks. Aditi, I have received your comments also that you have done this FDP very well. She has completed her PhD from IIT Patna, and she was doing it rigorously. Congratulations, Aditi. And we have results. This is we have automatically programmed it. So just after we were seeing the results, just you were finishing, we were seeing the results. So since we were conducted one more FDP on AI few days back, so we have done this. We have the results with us. So now with these words, ma'am, Parul, over to Parul, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations, Aditi, for successfully completing it and getting highest marks. Now I would like to call Dr. Nathan Singh, sir, for proposing vote of thanks, sir.
Thank you, Parul. Professor Vinay Kumar Pathak, sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Lucknow, Chief Guest of this concluding ceremony of FDP, respected Professor H.K. Paliwal, sir, Director, IIT Lucknow, respected Professor D.S. Yadav, sir, Head of the Department, Computer Science and Engineering, IIT Lucknow, Coordinator of this FDP, my dear colleagues and participants, good evening to all. It is my privilege to thank the pupil associated with this FDP, Internet of the Things. First of all, I would like to thank Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Binay Kumar Pathak sir, Vice Chancellor Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Lucknow, for their guidance and continuous support for conducting this FDP. And I also thanks sir for your for sparing the time and grace the occasion. I would like thanks to AICT for giving us an opportunity to conduct this FDP program on the Internet of the Things. Now, I would like thanks to all the speakers of the FDP program, Professor D.P. Vidyarthi from JNU New Delhi, Professor S.K. Udgata, University of Hyderabad, Professor Nagendra Kumar, University of Hyderabad, Dr. Nitesh Kumar from IIT Roorkee, Dr. Rahul Thakur from IIT Roorkee, Dr. Rahul Johri, GGSIPU, New Delhi, Dr. Shiv Prakash, and Dr. Gaurav Sharma from STS Kanpur. Thank you in absentia to all the speakers. Now, I would like thanks to our Honorable Director, sir, for their continuous support for conducting this FDP and blessing us on the occasion. I also thanks to our head of the department, Professor D.S. Yadav sir, for their guidance, support. Okay. And a big thanks from the bottom of my heart and from the all teams of the program to the Pawan Kumar Tripathi, Dr. Pawan Kumar Tripathi, the coordinator of this FDP, for doing a lot of hard work for conducting this FDP and for the benefit of the participants. Thanks to all the organizing team, all the advisory team members, conveners and co-conveners of the program for successful conducting of this FDP. And I also a big thanks to all participants for choosing this FDP and participate in this FDP organized by our department. Thank you to all, and I also give thanks to all the persons who are not including in this note, so who gives input to this program. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for proposing a vote of thanks, and it is really moment of proud and especially for the organizing team, HOD sir, Director sir, and our Honorable Vice Chancellor, that no doubt they paid a very great efforts in organizing the faculty development program. Since beginning, they have been working hard for, and it's very moment of proud because after getting the feedback from participants, because they found this faculty development program useful, knowledgeable. So thank you very much for all the participants for attending the program so sincerely. Thank you, sir. Thank you all the organizing team, HOD sir, Director sir, our Vice Chancellor sir, for their blessings and support. So I hope we should end this session now. This ends our concluding ceremony now, and in future we will be organizing more knowledgeable chapters or sessions on innovative and cutting edge technologies. So thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Parul ma'am, for conducting for organizing this session in such a nice way. And what you are suggesting, we are getting here in chat box also, that please conduct such more FDPs. So with the permission of chairman of this program, I just want to add one line if he will permit me. Professor D.S. Yadav sir.
Yes, please.
So just I can say one line, ki after 5 days till 5 p.m. I was very tired, but after hearing this so much compliments from the participants also, and from our department and institute. I am not feeling tired.
Yeah, so
Thank you.
So Dr. Tiwari, many thanks. I know you have put in lots of hard work and you have done a meticulous planning, and the feel of joy I can see on your face as well as on participant face. It has been wonderful and very successful program. So I would request all of the participants, well, once this COVID time is over, since you participated from various part of the country, so once this COVID time is over, we'll certainly organize a program at Lucknow itself, wherein you will get an opportunity to visit us, our place, and like that. Thank you very much, and many congratulations, Dr. Tiwari and Dr. Nathan Singh ji. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, and many thanks to all the participants from the bottom of my heart. Now we are terminating the session.
Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot.